I was sitting in the consultation room doing my ComServe about how many years ago? But I was doing my consult sitting in the consultation room with antenatal mothers. And the common conversation amongst these women is that, Kimobi, oh, I don't look pretty enough. Oh, look at my big nose. Oh, look at my big thighs. Oh, look at my big feet. They don't feel pretty enough. Pregnancy is a humbling experience for women, more so for women. And people don't understand the gravity that everything gets challenged, even your emotions. So I was sitting there and I took into account all these conversations and I thought to myself, we like to look beautiful, aesthetics. As women, we like to look beautiful. So let me do this.
I love it.
Let me do this, get some beautiful dresses. At least on that one day or during that one event, you can get pictures that you will say, I was that pretty lady who was pregnant. So that's where it came from.
Okay, Bongi, thank you so much.